So here I am in North Omaha at a place called Big Mama's Kitchen. Now, it's a soul food joint where folks say she's cooking it old school. But the funny thing is, it really is in an old school.
Cornbread salad, please.
I need 3 greens.
It's definitely old school. Catfish.
They've made it feel like home.
You taste the love in the food.
Fried chicken up.
Sweet potato pudding.
It's got soul.
Off the charts.
This is the way my grandmother and my mother cooked.
And now it's her turn.
I'm glad you showed up.
Patricia Barron, who calls herself Big Mama,
Was there any sides with this?
is bringing everybody to the family table. After a stint in the military and 30 years at the phone company, she retired to do what she always wanted.
I just like to cook.
But she didn't have a restaurant.
I was cooking out of my church's basement.
Then she found something better.
Chicken's ready to go. This was the Nebraska School for the Deaf, and this was the cafeteria. It closed in 1992.
What a nice find. Where Mama's cranking out soul food classics.
The chitlins, smothered pork chops.
Collard greens with bacon drippings on them.
And that Sunday dinner tradition.
It's how chicken used to be.
I'm gonna cook chicken like my grandma taught me how to cook chicken. We're gonna oven fry it.
Oven fried.
I just pour the buttermilk on it.
We're gonna hit it with all the seasonings?
Yes.
The lemon pepper,
No salt seasoning.
the packaged group of seasonings.
Correct.
And then this one here looks like it has a little bit of sugar, salt.
That's my rub. Cumin,
There's a little
paprika,
paprika
chili
there.
powder.
Okay, so we let those
I
marinate?
usually let it sit overnight.
All right. So this is marinated, it's got the rub, it's got everybody.
This is self-rising flour. Really give them a good coating.
And what you're doing there is you're folding that wing into itself, and then it doesn't have a tendency to dry out as much. It's like chicken yoga. We're gonna put that in the oil,
That's correct. I use canola oil. That's the best oil.
and that's gonna go in the convection oven and get hot.
That's right. Back a little bit. We do it very careful.
Yes, we do. Skin side down. What's your favorite part of the chicken?
The breast. I had 5 brothers and sisters. I never got the breast.
Yeah, I'm a wing guy. My mom always had the wing. My dad had the breast. My sister got the drumstick, and she whined.
We're gonna fry it 15 minutes, then I turn it, and then cook 15 minutes on the other side. It's baked while it fries.
Now, I know we're gonna arm wrestle for the thigh.
No, the breast.
All right, let's eat it. That's pretty tasty. It's awesome. Good chicken, moist, flavorful. You get a taste of chicken. The breading isn't taking all the power. Have some of that thigh, huh?
I'm gonna try.
Look at that.
You convinced me. I like the breast better.
It's got a crust on it that's excellent.
Seasoned very well, and it definitely tastes homemade.
Family meals at home are usually something very similar.
And why not? It's the kind of cooking Big Mama grew up with. It has a nice southern feel to it.
Originally from Mississippi, we eat a lot of greens.
Collard greens.
Good greens. Fried okra. Even this soul food classic, chitlins. Very tender. These are excellent.
Everything is phenomenal.
I'm always looking when I go places, picking up on different foods that people eat.
Here's your Afro Burger.
She picked this one up during a church mission trip to Africa.
Very hot and spicy.
I love spicy foods. Now it's starting to get hot. So this is like
That
up
works
there.
for you?
Oh, yeah.
Let's make some Afro burgers. This is the best beef. This is 10 pounds of Angus beef.
All this pepper is gonna go in 10 pounds.
Oh, yeah. If you don't like spicy food, you won't like this dish. Breadcrumbs,
All of the pepper available in the western United States.
fresh red peppers,
Sugar.
brown sugar, chopped Vidalia onions,
It's a little sweet.
chili powder, cayenne pepper. This is nutmeg. This is cinnamon.
Granulated garlic.
The salt.
We've got 9 pounds of hot chili flakes mixed into 2 pounds of meat. We're going to commence the process of burning our palate off.
That gives it pizzazz.
Egg. Now what are we gonna do?
We have to weigh it up into 6-ounce balls. It's a little over, but
I don't want to be kicked out of camp. Dead on.
take one of the balls and you flatten it. Then fold it over, fold the paper back,
Okay.
and then roll it. Okay? And we wrap this in cellophane. We roll one time, then we fold. And then roll, roll, roll. No, did you see me do it like that? We want it to lock in as we roll it.
You want to race this time? Eddie's first into the plastic. Huh? What do you think?
Okay, I might hire you. Put them in the freezer till we're ready to cook them. These are all nice and frozen.
Those got to go down for a long time, though, huh?
Oh, about 25 minutes.
Okay, so you unwrap it.
And then soak them in the barbecue sauce. So welcome to the Afro Burger.
Put all that spice right in there. Wow.
Yes.
They're hot.
You turning red.
Oh, they're spicy, Big Mama. Wow, that's good. I like hot food. I don't know why I'm speaking louder. That's something to come for.
Love it.
There's
Love
some
it.
spice in that thing.
Yeah, I can handle it.
The hotter, the better.
I love it. It's very unique.
At Big Mama's in Omaha, they're cooking it old school.
Good.
Literally. It's kind of a strange place, though, don't you think, coming to the school? But it's no school lunch.
When I come here, it's like eating at home.
A lot of the food that she cooks is from the South.
Fried okra, pig ears.
You never had a pig ear?
I heard you're having the ear sandwich.
I am. It's really good.
Don't fear the ear. Let's get it on.
Okay. I like to examine them.
Ooh, those are fresh.
There's no hairs. That's gristle.
Just a tickle of meat there.
Right on.
I know, don't play with your food.
And then I'm gonna put it in my crock pot.
Salt up that ear. Grandma's rub, a little bit of sugar, salt.
Cumin,
Stick a
paprika,
little paprika
chili
there.
powder. They're very plain, so they need a lot of seasoning on them. Then the garlic. Then
Water?
add my water.
Oh, you add a little vinegar. Let go down for about 8 hours. Cover that up, plug it in.
And I put them on low.
You know what? Time has got away from me. I'm gonna have to go. I'll be back here later.
No. You want to eat them now.
Right ear.
This will be the
right
highlight
now.
of your day.
I'm excited. Let's just do this. You be as liberal with that mustard as you want. There you go. Extra, extra.
Chopped onion. That gives it a little zing. That doesn't look bad, right?
Oh. I mean, that part, that scares me.
So just bite it.
You know.
That's all. Eat it.
Don't push it in my mouth. You're excited to see me
Yes,
eat
I
this.
am, because I know you're gonna like it.
It's tender. It is tender. See the cartilage cooked down to a nice tender state. It is very tasty. I would call it natural bologna. I didn't really think I was gonna be too big of a fan. Once you're here, you love it.
Really moist and not tough at all.
This pig ear sandwich,
Yum, yum.
I would recommend it.
True soul food classic.
Soul and family go together.
Feels like home.
Like I remember when I was a kid.
It's legit, huh?
It's legit.
When it's meant to be, things like this just happen.
Yes, it certainly does.
I'm looking for my mother to come out to kids.
I want to spread my food all over the city. I want everybody to come and enjoy my food.
Good stuff. I enjoyed it.
Good, I'm glad.